We have to check 6 compounds and count only those with unpaired electrons. Let us solve step by step. In nickel tetracarbonyl, nickel is 0 valent and carbon monoxide gives a completely filled D10 configuration, so it is diamagnetic. In tetrachloronickel 8 nickel 2+ is D8 and chloride gives a tetrahedral high spin complex, so 2 electrons remain unpaired. For the cobalt amine chloro complex, the complex ion has charge +1, so cobalt is +3. Cobalt 3+ is D6, and with ammonia in a cobalt 3 complex it is low spin, so all electrons are paired. In sodium hexafluorocobaltate, cobalt is again +3, hence D6. Fluoride is a weak field ligand, so the octahedral complex is high spin and has 4 unpaired electrons. Sodium peroxide contains peroxide ion, in which all molecular orbital electrons are paired, so it is diamagnetic. Cesium superoxide contains superoxide ion, which has 1 unpaired electron, so it is paramagnetic. Thus the paramagnetic compounds are tetrachloronickel 8 sodium hexafluorocobaltate, and cesium superoxide. The total count is 3. The number of paramagnetic compounds is 3, so the correct option is B. For more clear exam solutions, keep learning with Acharya.